Hi, I'm Jessica Smith and I work for Bland's Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. And today we're talking all about trees and shrubs. Right now we're going to discuss how you water your citrus. Is it outdoors or is it an indoor houseplant for you? If it's outdoors, good deep applications of water, but let the top 2 inches dry out before you water again. Too much water and they'll actually rot and suffocate for you. Now if you've got one indoors, your watering is going to be a little more often just because that potting soil is going to dry out. I recommend on any type of a house plant that you water from the base up. Watering from the top can produce rot right against the trunk of the plant itself. Doesn't necessarily need to get wet. It's not a horribly bad practice to do, but it's really better if it takes it up from the base. I always like to fill up the saucer. That way the roots will take it up and get what it needs. And then in about a half hour to an hour, I'd come back after the top part of the soil looks and feels wet. I'd actually take this extra water and I'd get rid of it, because otherwise you've got wet roots down there. They don't like the wet feet. Again, that can cause rotting. And too wet of a soil all the time may cause fungus gnats, which can be very annoying in your home.